How to code methods. Methods are specific parts of the of classes that carry out specific functions on the data members of the class. It's similar to functions in your normal code, and they are written also in a similar way. Now there are two types of methods. One with the return one which returns a value, and one which directly prints the end result. So the first so for that, first we see the syntax of a method. So we write the def method, and then we have to write the self keyword, and then we write the parameter, and then within the and then we write the body of the method. Let's create a class here, calculator, and I'll instantiate the class with with init method, and I'll write a comma b as the two variables. And I'll create the method add. So this is a return. This is a method which returns the value. So I write add, and then I'll write self, and I'll just return a plus b. And then I'll write another function, another method for subtracting the two numbers. So I write def sub, and then self, and I'll print subtraction. Subtraction is equal to, subtraction is a minus b. Now I'll create the object calculator, but before that I'll take the two values from the user. N1 int input, enter the first number, and enter the second number. Now I write a is equal to c dot add. So we are calling the function add, and saving it in the variable a. Now we print addition is a, and then we are lastly calling the subtraction method. So we write c dot sub. Oh, before I forget, you have to write the wherever you within the code, you have to always write self dot a, self dot b, self dot a, self dot b. So now when you run this code, it will give enter first number. So I write 8, and now I enter the second number 3. So now it tells the addition is 11 and subtraction is 5. So we have seen how both the both the types of methods are created, and how they are run, and how they work within a code.